Okay, I'm gonna try to show you how I'm going to make a mask out of this vacuum cleaner bag that's clean. Of course, I took the end off that was attached to the nozzle end of the cardboard. And what I've heard is that this is kind of like similar filter quality paper to one of the N95 masks. So because I know that there are a lot of instructions for making this on out of paper towels, I'm going to do my best to try to do this out of the vacuum cleaner bag. So let's see what happens. So you need something, do it right here. I'm opening it up all the way. And I'm just going to take this side of it, and just like I would with the paper towel, I've got enough here now that I can accordion fold it, and I'm not going to use the instruction side, so we're going to try to have that part away from my face. So accordion fold it, and then when you get to the end, I could have done this a little bit tighter. I think I'll still clip it off and even it up a little bit there on each side. And now I'm going to attach the rubber band and just fold it over and staple it so that the rubber band's secured, and do the same thing on the other side. So a little fold. You can tell that I haven't had a manicure in a couple weeks, right? But the blue made me happy. Okay, and then there is the mask with decent fabric, and then just take each end and again loop it over your ear, and ready, voila.